Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Vauxhall Vivaro van build part 13. Today is a bit of a mixed video day. I've got some remaining jobs to do before we go on holiday. One of those jobs was to actually do the back panels on the doors. I've done them now, but before I could do the panels, I had to get a couple of dents repaired. And I've gone to Panel Perfect, which is a local company to me. Mark's been in the business for over 20 years repairing dents to cars and vans. And I just wanted to share this video with you before we go on to the next video. Morning everyone, so welcome back to the camper van build. I'm actually at Chosen Curtains in Churchdown, and I've just picked up my cushions, which have been upholstered by Annette. And now Annette has actually been in the business for over 17 years with the store, and she's done an absolute terrific job. I'm so pleased and so chuffed. So if you need your cushions covered or even supplied, I'm sure Annette will be able to help you out. Just give her a call. I'll put a link in the video, and just give her a call and she'll be able to help you out. The proof is in the pudding. The cushions are absolutely fantastic, and Annette is always really busy, so it just shows that busy people will always do the best quality and the best cushions for your camper van. So anyway, I'll show you them in a moment. Okay, so here's the cushions that I've had done, and I'm really pleased. It's a herringbone fabric. I don't know whether that can the camera can pick that up. It's a herringbone charcoal fabric, and Annette has actually done the piping detailing on the cushions themselves, and I'm really chuffed, really chuffed. They've got a zip on the back of the cushions, so I'm able to take the cushions off if I need to, and that really completes the cushions and the benches. So that's the herringbone charcoal fabric that I've had. It's a really hard wearing fabric. Yeah, you can see the herringbone through it. It looks really, really nice. And yeah, so I thoroughly recommend that if you need your cushions doing, take them to Annette and she will sort them out for you. Fantastic, brilliant. I'll leave a link, as I said, in the description. Two of the jobs outstanding in the van. One of them was the vents, and as I said, I've got vents on the side of the unit where I've put the CRX fridge. There you go. And I just wanted to put a vent at the bottom, and the only way I could really see putting a vent on the bottom was to do something like this. It's neat, it's tidy. One of the points about this vent is what I actually did is that I cut two vents on the back, and I joined them in the middle of the door. But before I joined them, I actually sealed the cut. In other words, because these doors are MDF, I didn't want any moisture getting into the door itself, and so for a precautionary measure, I put some sealant around the actual door itself, and that will stop any moisture penetration going in. So I think that just finishes it off by putting one on the back of the door as well, rather than having a bit of a gaping hole. I've also put a magnetic strip at the bottom there, And the reason I've done that is because I can't put the push mechanism on there because there is a backing to it, and the backing on those is comes out by about at least I don't know, I think probably 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, half an inch. And because it does that, if I wanted to put the catch here, that was going to then hit the door, so I wouldn't then be able to shut the door. So I've had to put a magnetic strip on this one, but I've done the other push buttons as well, push catches, that's the word I was looking for. So just lock it in, there you go, nice and tidy, and as you can see, that's all nicely finished off. One of the other jobs was, just let the camera get into focus, was the actual trim, where obviously the ceiling meets the front of the cab. And what I wanted to do here is that I wanted to carpet that the same. So I wanted to finish the trims off, and this is what I've done with the trims. I've done it exactly the same as the H column, where I've actually put some insulation in and also some vapor wrap, just to finish off and make that a little bit tidier along the edge there on both sides. And I think that's finished it off quite well. I've still got the sink to do. I've not put the sink in, that's because I haven't got it yet. But yeah, so I've got empty cupboards at the moment, but everything's finished, ready to go. I will give you a full tour when we get to the campsite.